Hey friends, a lot of users have complained that Ctrl+F does not bring up Find on this page in Windows 11. Now here's one thing, it also depends on the application. For example, I am using Word right now. So when I press Ctrl+F, it does not bring up the general Find for the system but for the application itself. So your application should have that compatibility. And if you are sure that your application is compatible, then right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, and then go to accessibility on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select keyboard and turn these three switches off. Once this is sorted out, the next stage will be to update the keyboard drivers. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar, open the device manager, expand the list for keyboard drivers, right click on the HID keyboard device and update it. Update the second one and then update drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.